to Through the Bible. Today, we will listen to the story of Elijah, the prophet of God. Ravens feed Elijah. 1 Kings chapter 15 to chapter 17. Jeroboam reigned altogether for 22 years in the northern kingdom of Israel. Then his son Nadab reigned in his place. But Nadab was as evil as his father. He reigned for 2 years only, and then he was murdered by one of his own servants, Baasha. And Baasha saw to it that every remaining member of Jeroboam's family was killed, not one of them remained. Baasha had learned too well the lessons taught by Jeroboam. He also worshipped the pagan gods and was an evil man. After Baasha came Elah, his son, but he had reigned for 2 years only when Zimri, one of his chariot commanders, slipped into the palace and stabbed him to death. Zimri took the throne in Elah's place and killed all the family of Baasha and Elah. After Zimri came Omri, who was an evil man too, but he remained king for 12 years. When Omri died, he was succeeded by his son Ahab, and this king was the worst of them all. He married a horrible woman called Jezebel, a heathen from the kingdom of Sidon. King Ahab and Queen Jezebel ruled the northern kingdom of Israel. Jezebel brought with her the heathen gods of Baal and Ashtoreth and taught the people of Israel to worship them. She hated those who loved the true God of Israel, the God of heaven and earth, and she tried so hard to kill all his prophets. There lived in those days one brave and very great prophet. His name was Elijah. Elijah went to King Ahab and prophesied to him the word of the Lord. As the Lord God lives, there will be neither dew nor rain in this land until I give the word. God told Elijah to head east and cross the river Jordan. Then God told him to go and hide himself beside the brook Kerith, which flowed into the river Jordan. There Elijah drank water from the brook, and every morning and every evening God sent ravens to bring him bread and meat to eat. Just as Elijah had said, there was no rain or dew. People called on Baal to help them, but the ground became dry and the harvests failed. Ravens, normally selfish birds, brought Elijah bread and meat in the morning and evening. He drank water from the brook Kerith. Months and then years went by without dew or rain. People struggled to find water for themselves and their cattle. Food supplies got low and people began to starve. Baal did not come to their rescue. After a while, because of the drought in the land, even the brook Kerith dried up, and so a new place had to be found for Elijah. Elijah headed out of the ravine. God sent him to a strange place, to Zarephath, in the land of Sidon in Phoenicia, the very place from which the evil queen Jezebel had come. God even told him that he had already told a widow there in her heart that she must make ready a place for his servant. As the situation got worse in Israel, King Ahab kept up the search to find Elijah, but no one could find him. No dew or rainfall for over 3 years.